Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that's crucial for every man who wants to take his life to the next level. How to go from being an average guy to becoming an alpha male, a high-value man. This isn't about some cheap tricks or pick-up artist nonsense. This is about genuine self-improvement and developing the qualities that will make you successful, respected, and fulfilled in all areas of your life. Step 1. Develop unshakable confidence. First and foremost, to become a high-value man, you need to develop unshakable confidence. Confidence is the foundation upon which everything else is built. When you have true confidence, it radiates from within and affects every aspect of your life. People are naturally drawn to confident men, whether it's in your career, your social life, or your relationships. But how do you develop genuine confidence? It starts with mastering your thoughts and beliefs. You need to eliminate negative self-talk and replace it with empowering beliefs. Believe in yourself, your abilities, and your potential. Embrace your strengths and work on improving your weaknesses. Confidence also comes from taking action and pushing yourself out of your comfort zone. Face your fears head-on and prove to yourself that you can handle challenges. Every time you overcome an obstacle, your confidence will grow. Step 2. Cultivate a growth mindset. The next step to becoming a high-value man is to cultivate a growth mindset. Average men have a fixed mindset. They believe that their abilities and intelligence are static, that they can't change. But alpha males know that they can always improve and grow. Embrace the idea that you can learn and develop new skills. Be open to feedback and use it to better yourself. When you face setbacks or failures, don't see them as proof of your inadequacy. Instead, view them as opportunities to learn and grow. With a growth mindset, you'll continually push yourself to become better. You'll embrace challenges and persist in the face of difficulties. This mindset is crucial for reaching your full potential. Step 3. Master your emotions. High-value men have mastered their emotions. They don't let their feelings control them. Instead, they control their feelings. This emotional mastery is key to maintaining composure and making rational decisions, even under stress. To master your emotions, you need to first become aware of them. Notice when you're feeling angry, anxious, or overwhelmed. Then, practice techniques to manage these emotions. This could include deep breathing, meditation, or reframing your thoughts. It's also important to cultivate positive emotions. Practice gratitude, focus on the good in your life, and surround yourself with people who lift you up. By mastering your emotions, you'll be able to navigate life's challenges with grace and resilience. Step 4. Develop a strong work ethic. No one becomes successful without hard work. High-value men have an unrelenting work ethic. They're willing to put in the time and effort to achieve their goals. Develop discipline in your life. Create a schedule and stick to it. Push yourself to work hard, even when you don't feel like it. Remember, every time you choose to work on your goals instead of slacking off, you're one step closer to success. But it's not just about working hard, it's also about working smart. Focus your efforts on the tasks that will yield the greatest results. Continuously learn and improve your skills. By combining a strong work ethic with strategic thinking, you'll be unstoppable. Step 5. Lead with integrity. Finally, to be a true alpha male, you must lead with integrity. Integrity means being honest, reliable, and true to your word. It means standing up for what you believe in, even when it's difficult. When you lead with integrity, people trust and respect you. They know that they can count on you to do the right thing. This is crucial in both your personal and professional life. To develop integrity, start by clarifying your values. What principles do you want to live by? Then, make sure your actions align with these values. Be honest in your dealings with others, follow through on your commitments, and take responsibility for your mistakes. Leading with integrity isn't always easy, but it's always worth it. It's the hallmark of a true high-value man. Becoming a high-value man isn't about quick fixes or superficial changes. It's about genuine self-improvement and developing the qualities that lead to success and fulfillment. by developing unshakable confidence, cultivating a growth mindset, mastering your emotions, having a strong work ethic, and leading with integrity, you'll transform from an average man to an alpha male. Remember, this is a journey. It takes time, effort, and consistency. But every step you take, every improvement you make, is bringing you closer to becoming the best version of yourself. So start today. Implement these steps into your life. Face your fears, embrace growth, and never settle for being average. You have the potential for greatness within you. It's time to unleash it. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content on self-improvement and becoming a high-value man. Leave a comment below with which step you're going to start working on today. Let's support each other on this journey. Until next time, stay strong, stay focused, and keep pushing forward. You've got this.